Hello and welcome to this tutorial of the Carrot Form app. Today we are going to talk about adding color fields to your form. Let's get started. So you want to capture RGB colors on your form using some color pickers, or you want to color some hex colors, or you want to capture some HSL colors, which are more intuitive way to represent your colors. Otherwise, you also want to maybe capture your HSV colors similarly to the HSL, but with the value instead of the lightness. So the Carrot framework allows you to specify the type of fields for these colors. We're going to do a small demonstration. Let's go back to our configuration. We are now going to create a couple of list of colors. We can call the first one the background color, we get the border color, text color, and fill color. Just going to make them optional. And as the usual, you have your language text, and from your language translation point of view, we are going to go to your XML and add those colors. There, they are corresponding to your text that you've put in your configuration. And again, we're going to go back to our database table. As you've seen already, I have updated the structure for the purposes of the presentation. We have background color that has been specified as now border, text, and field color, as they are corresponding back into our configuration. Now, once you've done that and you've done it there, the other thing we need to do now is to where do we want to add it in terms of which form you want to add these colors for capturing purposes. So we want them in the add, want them in the edit, we also want them in the view. So these colors will show on all those three forms. So we go back to our browser, add a new one. We're gonna call this one test number 5, still a test down. To choosing the date of birth, we put it in there. Phone number, and select. So as you can see, now we have a date picker where you can now choose your colors, and now we can continue choosing the green color, and you also can choose another yellow color. Because these colors are all different types of values, they're all going to be captured differently. So we are going to save, and if we go to our test number 5, you can view that data. You can see that the colors have been captured. I'm not sure what color we've been captured on the background color. Let's just quickly go back to our edit and then look at our background color. And then we save that. So our colors have been captured. And once the colors have been captured there, what we then have now is if we look at your database table, we can quickly browse it. See our colors, as we can see. We have our colors HSV, HSL, hash, RGB. Mostly, in the most cases, majority of the time you will find yourself leaning toward the two types of colors instead of this HSV and HSL. You might want to just stick to the most default and the most popular use of color, which is your RGB colors and colors. In that way, even on your form or on your browser, and the color displays are not going to give you issues, or you might not have unexpected results on your browser. But if you need this data for something else, you are pretty much welcome to utilize the HSV and HSL colors in your forms, and the other two, which is X and RGB colors. By just going into your configuration, putting in your colors here, the field types, and including them in your forms, and making sure that your database table has those fields in your database schema, And that's it. You have your colors. That's it for this tutorial. Hope we've all learned something. We'll catch up soon and take care.